Alright, I doubt we'll see them again, but I spooked up 4 grouse. 4 of them. And then they ran off under the ferns. I tried looking for them, couldn't see them. What's over here that they like so much? What's making them come over this area? I mean, we have tons of property. We got tons of berries everywhere. Like, a lot. We got cherry trees, we got June berries, we got blueberries, we got blackberries, we have strawberries. I mean, I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. But look at this. This is really cool. So look at the ferns on the top. You can't see nothing. Have you ever seen how it looks when you go underneath? Huh? You've got a whole nother world under here. And then look at the beautiful berries. It's starting to get trampled on.